What's up, everybody? It's AZD SPIDER, and I'm here with a very special announcement. Very exciting for the website AZDSPIDER.com. I'm creating a university where I'm bringing all my friends and all my comrades who've helped me get here, and also people that are at the highest level, to help you with all the different branches that get you to the level where I'm at. One of those is MMA and Combat Sports. And the instructor is going to be Martin Sano Jr. from Nick Diaz camp. You look him up. He's a UFC fighter. He's one of my great friends, and he's one of the best when it comes to this. This is going to be one class a week for 1 hour. It's going to be online. Okay, there's going to be details on it on the website, and it's only $97 a month. And he's going to go over some really powerful stuff for you. It's not just technique. There's a lot of mindset. If you follow me, you understand that it's all about mindset. It's all in a state of mind. It's always been about a state of mind. And I have everything I have because I have a mastery of the mind and communication. So go to AZDSPIDER.com, sign up for the MMA and Combat Sports as soon as you can. There's going to be limited class. Everything I do is limited because that brings prestige. I don't like everybody to have access to me. You understand that? Then it's not worth anything. So I'm only taking 10 people to start with. After that, I'm shutting it off until I start a new program, all right? Be the best. Fuck the rest. See you on there.